what's up? It's Haley and welcome back to my channel. Not only am I excited for today's thrift trip, you guys will be too, because I'm totally doing a selfless thrift trip today. In what sense? I'm gonna head into the thrift store and I'm basically gonna thrift a bunch of stuff just for you guys. Haley, why are you doing this? Well, I'm currently 5 months pregnant, but not only that, I'm always heading into the thrift store and I'm finding so many incredible things that I'm like, someone needs to get their hands on this. So I thought, what a genius idea to be able to give back to you guys. I went ahead to my Instagram and I asked you to give me ideas of things that you want me to thrift for you, whether they're different trends or different styles or certain dupes, and I made an entire list of things that we're going to be looking for today. And if you guys are curious, Haley, how are you going to get us these items? Well, I'm so excited to say that today's video is actually sponsored by Whatnot. I've worked with them in the past. If you guys don't know what Whatnot is, it's basically a live auction selling app that you can go ahead and buy thrifted, vintage goods, even new items as well. A lot of you guys were part of my last Whatnot sale where I literally sold out every single one of my items. And basically what I decided to do, because I really want to get this to you guys in the easiest way possible, every single item I'm going to be thrifting today, I'm only going to be auctioning off starting at $1. So the way that it works is that we're all pretty much going to be shopping together. As a seller, I'm going to be going live. One by one, I'm going to go through each piece. And then basically as buyers, you guys can just go ahead and bid back and forth. And I'm telling you, in the past, most of the items sold for like under $5, which is amazing. So if you guys want to be a part of the sale and you want to snag up a lot of the things that I'm going to thrift for you, all you have to do is go ahead and click the link down below in the description and download the Whatnot app. Go ahead and find my page, which is Haley's Corner. On my profile, there's already a show bookmark for August 17th at 1 o'clock p.m. EST. And because it's an app that people are selling 24/7, you can join other live shows, people can join your live show. All you have to do is click the link down below in my description. If you use that invite link, you'll actually be able to get $10 off your first Whatnot purchase. I really want to get these items out to you, so go ahead and download the app and bookmark my show. Set your timers right now on your phone in your calendar, August 17th at 1 o'clock p.m. EST, and give yourself like a day before reminder, a 30-minute before reminder, just to make sure that you're there on time, because first come first serve, everything's selling starting at $1, and I just can't wait for you guys to get these pieces. So follow along on my thrift trip right now and let's see what goodies I'll find for you. Wish me luck! So really, guys, the best part about all this is because I'm not thrifting for myself, there's no sections I have to avoid. I can literally check every single place, especially ones that I haven't been able to thrift recently because of this big baby bump. And that's what makes it so fun. The possibilities are endless. So where should we start? So I decided to start here in the top section because you guys really have been requesting a bunch of tops for summer, and I'm telling you right now, I have not been able to shop here for so long because every top I get right now pretty much turns into a crop top because of my belly. So what are we on the hunt for? A lot of girly frilly tops I noticed, Y2K some of you guys are into, a lot of 90s style tops, spaghetti straps, square necklines, all of that is really popular, and it's so fun to literally be able to check out every single size and be able to get something I like just because I like it and I think you guys will like it. So let's get started. This right here is such a pretty little top, and it's even brand new with tags. It's actually a halter that ties right here at the front. I love this baby pink color, and there's a zipper in the back, so this can look so cute on one of you. Alright, something you guys definitely wanted was corsets, and this one is a denim one and it is gorgeous. I would probably myself change out these laces to like white or black, but this is the back and this is the front. Like, look at that boning right here. This on its own or even paired with like a white button down underneath can look so freaking classy. Oh, what a good find. Oh, you guys, I quickly realized that this is gonna be so hard for me. I'm gonna find so many things that I'm like, oh, I could just keep that for like after I give birth. But no, Haley, selfless thrift trip. And because so many of you guys requested vintage jeans like Levi's or Tommy Hilfiger jeans, high-waisted mom jeans, some low-rise jeans, we'll do both men and women's and let's see what we find. Oh my gosh, do you guys remember when the butt rip used to be like a huge thing? I don't think this was intentional, but I remember that everyone was literally sporting 501 Levi's with butt rips in them. But let me see if we can find like a nice shade with none of those rips. Also, I did want to let you guys know that I will take this opportunity that if I feel like I don't find enough stuff that you guys wanted, I'm gonna give you something from my personal collection. So when we actually head home later on in this video, I'm gonna show you a bunch of other stuff that I'm gonna be adding to the sale that either just don't fit me anymore or I'm just ready to let go to you guys. So be sure to stay to the end of the haul to see what else you guys can get from there. I did find these jeans right here, which I am telling you are honestly the perfect vintage jean because look at this. They're a straight leg. They're such a beautiful wash. Super high-waisted as well. You can leave them as jeans or you can turn them into shorts. So definitely grabbing these for you. and I just found an amazing pair of vintage Guess jeans. These are so high-waisted and they would definitely look so good on one of you. And if you guys are looking for specific branded tags and you don't have time to go through every single one, at that point I just like browsing the back tags of all of these, and that way it's much easier to find those certain tags that you're looking for. And then speaking of jeans, do you guys remember we just found those black Guess jeans? I have never in my life seen a color like this, but so freaking beautiful. These are truly stunning, you guys. I absolutely love the straight leg fit. This like washed camel color. Oh my god, these would be perfect for fall. Tiny waist on these, but still, what a score. Okay, you guys, these pants right here, they're definitely a wild card, but I think that they're so cool. They have a little bit of that flare at the bottom, but I feel like you're either gonna love these or hate them. I kind of want to get them though because I feel like they are unique, and I honestly feel like this is such a cool piece to find, so I don't want to pass it up, and I feel like one of you will really love this. Huge request from you guys was jean overalls, and I just found such a beautiful pair. I mean, look at these. These are freaking gorgeous and so beautiful. They were in the dresses section, and I love this Goodwill color coordinates everything by color, so it's super easy to find ones like this. Oh yes, love the little pocket detail. Oh, I want to keep these so badly for myself, but alas, one of you guys will get to style these beauties. Maybe some play suits and stuff too, because I know those have been super loved and popular as well. Alright, you guys, I'm going to show you a couple of the dresses that I found. First up, I found this super cute little one with a floral pattern. It really reminds me of some of the summer dresses I picked up for myself. And it's got a little slit on the side, which is so super cute. It should go past the knee, more of like a midi length. And because the chest here has some ruching at the front, I would say it's more for you smaller chested gals. And then white cottagey style summer dresses was very popular as well. So I actually found this one, which I thought was perfect. I love the cut over here. And it's really like your perfect go-to dress for the summer. This one is in a size 10, so it's a little bit of a bigger size, which is good. Got a lot of room in the chest area. With these straps with the cut right here, it would look so flattering. And then I saw this dress, and oh, I wish it would fit me because I love this so freaking much. Little mini dress, it's got like the plaid print pattern, and it's got some ruching here on the front. But I was obsessed with these sleeve details. I feel like for a little date day or a cute little picnic, this would honestly be amazing. You guys remember when Best Dress used to make her videos, and she would have these like picnic bead dresses? Definitely giving off that vibe, and I'm really liking this blue for summer. You guys, these are actually some sick Air Force Ones. I mean, they're definitely too big, but they're in really good condition. Unfortunately, I can't seem to find a second one. Otherwise, I would have for sure got these for you guys, because for $1, I mean, come on. Okay, and it's definitely been a while since I hunted for this, but graphic t-shirts, surprisingly, were still a really hot thing that a lot of people wanted. So I'm gonna look here in the men's section and see if we could find any good ones. Little thrasher tee, super soft, really good condition. I don't know why, I think this one is actually pretty cute too. So what kind of skirts have I been seeing a ton of? Lots of midi skirts for sure. Denim skirts are having a comeback as well. Okay, there's just something about this mini skirt that I think is so freaking cute. It's coming off a bit brighter on camera, but I'm not sure. Maybe it's like the pattern. This just really reminds me of like something Amanda Bynes would wear in What I Like About You. And the stripes on these actually go really well with the pants. And this Levi's denim jacket, honestly, it is the perfect item for fall. It's got like a warm fuzzy inside. Look at that. Oh, this is definitely such a nice piece for you guys. Got a little bit of the fall vibes going on here. Look at that. Okay, you guys, now that I actually made it back home, I very quickly wanted to go through every single thing that I picked up that you guys can get yourself in the sale. And I'm also going to add in some things from my personal collection that I'm willing to give away to you guys as well. And some of these pieces, they're really good, so stick around. First off, this corset that you guys saw, freaking incredible. I got it for $7, and like I said, I feel like this layered on top of like a white button down or a white t-shirt can look so good. And the best thing, because it's a corset, it's also adjustable in the back, so you can really make it like more form-fitting, less form-fitting, really to suit your body type. And then this top from INC, which is low-key actually a pretty good brand. I found this piece to be so cute. I absolutely love the pink halter top. Definitely something similar to the movie 13 Going on 30. The tag over here says that it was $49, and I just got it for $6. I'm gonna throw in and show you a bunch of other tops I'm gonna be selling in the sale as well. Here's this one you probably saw when I thrifted my Urban Outfitter dupes. I love this top so much. The ring here in the front is so freaking cute, and it's got like a nice shiny material, because I do know that one of you guys said that you wanted sparkly tops, so here you go. For those who want more of a vacation vibe, I have this top right here that would be perfect if you're going on vacation, you want to wear it with like a really high-waisted skirt. This zebra print one, really cute to wear on its own, but again, I would like layer it on top of something else with like the bottom peeking out. That would look really nice. And then this one I also had to include, is it just me or is this giving off 2000s Lindsay Lohan from all of these 2000s movies? Y2K and baby tees was a big thing that you guys wanted to see me thrift. So here's one that I had in my wardrobe that I am ready to circulate. Okay, back to today's thrift trip. We found amazing bottoms. I will say a lot of them were smaller sizes. I tried to find items in like bigger sizes that I felt were true to my style. It was definitely a little bit challenging, but I still picked up a few that I thought were really cool. So first off, the two Guess jeans. How much were these? This one I paid $10 and this one was 10 bucks as well. And this is like that really good stiff real denim that you want. I mean, look at the back. It's got the little vintage Guess triangle, a really high-waisted fly area, and I'm actually noticing that the bottom, it's got zippers. So if you want to make it like a little split flare hem, you have that too. And then this shade, oh, I was so obsessed. I wish I found something like this in my size because I feel like for fall, this color would be so amazing to have in a pair of jeans. It's like a beautiful caramel color. They have the zippers in the bottom as well. There's the little logo on the back, and again, a high-waisted fit. As much as low-rise is like really popular, I do feel like high-rise looks the most flattering on the most body types. And then for sure this is going to be a popular piece. You guys know how obsessed I am with overalls. I mean, just look at how many times I've styled overalls. I've got short ones, I've got some long ones as well, and I just love them so much. So these, I don't know what brand they are from because there's no label, but I got them for $10 and they're honestly such a beautiful wash. They're not cropped either, which is amazing. I feel like they would hit the floor if you're maybe like 5'5" like me. And I just love all these like little details that they have. Really such a nice, beautiful wash. I can't believe we actually found a nice pair of overalls for you. And then this huge jacket. I'm surprised I only got it for $8, but wow, what a deal. I kind of wish I can keep this because I feel like in the fall winter months, especially if I was still in Canada, I would have really enjoyed a jacket like this. I mean, look at the inside. It's so fleecy and warm, and the outside is like a perfect denim. The fact that I got a Levi's jacket for just $8 too is actually kind of a steal. It's a size extra large, and I really love this wash for fall. So checking off the jackets. And then I actually have a couple more jackets of my own that I'm also going to be giving away. First one I wanted to throw in there was this little blue zip up from Nike. I'm obsessed with the detail that it's got on the zipper right here. Zip up jackets are so easy. I even like to wear them as tops lately. And then can't believe I'm giving this one away, but you guys remember this windbreaker from this short? You guys were obsessed with it, and I'm telling you, the Adidas striped jackets and striped logos are making such a hard comeback just for $1. I mean, come on. And then the wild card for $5, I got these jeans from Sand. Honestly, I know that they seem like they're super out there, but you could make such a freaking cute outfit with this. Either go clashing pattern in the top or just like pair a pink top or a green top or a white top with this. Very Lizzie McGuire, and it has that like slight wide leg flare at the bottom. These are so cool and so cute for summer. Then I picked up this mini skirt. It's in a size 9, and you guys, the colors on this are amazing. Perfect for fall. Imagine it with like some stockings underneath and then maybe like some Doc Martens. Like I said, I really feel like this is something that Rachel would have worn in Friends, and if I haven't said it before, brown and navy makes such a good combo together. I think I'm gonna be styling more outfits in this color scheme. For the two dresses that I got, here's the first one that I got for $7. So many of you guys really wanted that like cottage summery summer dress vibe, but it's super light and airy. This one is in a size 10, and I think it goes just below the knee, which is exactly the length you want for that cottage look. And then this one, oh, I'm obsessed, you guys. I love this like picnicky style dress. I feel like even on me right now, pregnant, it would look super cute, but I love the navy white plaid. I feel like a dress like this with like some simple gold jewelry is a statement on its own. Graphic tees was a big request from you guys as well, so we got this Thrasher one that I got for just $3. I'm glad because lately they've been overpricing tees a ton. And then this one, honestly, I just really liked the graphic on the front. I think white with red always looks really good together. What does it say? Pizza some planet? Pizza Planet? That sounds really familiar. I don't know why, but super cute, and I love the little checker print here at the top. And then here's what I think is the star of the show. I can't believe I'm auctioning it off on Whatnot for just $1 because this was an incredible find. It is the cable knit Polo Ralph Lauren jeans sweater. This is so thick and so good quality, perfect for the fall and winter months. I just don't really see myself wearing it much in Florida because it doesn't really get that cold here, and I think one of you guys could definitely put it to better use, but it's beautiful, and this was like such a nice find. I for sure know that one of you will make the most of this piece. But yeah, you guys, that was actually a really fun thrift trip, and I definitely want to do this more, so go ahead and subscribe down below if you haven't already. Future videos are going to be coming up. So again, for you guys to go ahead and be a part of the sale, I'm going to leave a link down below for you to download the Whatnot app. If you're a new buyer, I really think you'll enjoy the whole live stream shopping experience, and if you're looking to be a seller or you want to just declutter your closet, this is really such a great way for you to get rid of your your things. When I go live, I'm gonna have all the size info and the brand info. Again, every single thing, I'm only gonna be starting it off at $1. So definitely set your calendar so you guys don't miss it. Again, I will be going live on Whatnot on August 17th at 1 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And a quick reminder, if you actually do use the link in my description to download Whatnot, you guys will actually get $10 off your first Whatnot purchase. So you can essentially be getting a lot of my items totally for free. In my last live show, I sold every single piece to you guys, and hopefully this one will be just as good. I'm super excited for the show coming up next week, and I really hope you guys tune in. We can chat, I'll try stuff on, I'll answer any questions you guys have. So comment down below if you're going to be joining the live show and which of these pieces you are hoping to get for yourself. But thank you guys again so much for watching. I love you forever and always, and I can't wait to see you guys in my next one. Love you.